Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Ariel Nicole. So first off, good morning. It is Friday morning and it is around 7:30 and I just woke up. I got dressed. I'm just wearing my workout clothes and I'm gonna go ahead and do a workout. Today I'm doing Sammy Clark's 20-minute booty and abs workout. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get to working out. All right guys, see you all in a bit. Hi guys, so I just got done showering. So I ended up, first things first, I got up, I meditated, which was really nice because I haven't meditated in a while. And then oh my god, sorry, like my hair is really weird. I worked out, which was really great. And then I took the dogs for a walk and I showered. I did my little skincare. So I just washed my face with like a Biore one. It's in the bathroom, so I'll go get it in a little bit, but I just washed my face. I just patted it dry, and now I'm gonna add I'm gonna do Kylie Jenner, the eye cream. And then I'm gonna go in with, what is this? Drunk Elephant's cream. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quick. Okay, so I'm gonna put stuff in my hair to like help it air dry. So I'm using the Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. So this stuff is amazing and smells so good. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and make my bed, brush out my hair, and I'll be right back. Wow, I'm really short compared to Steve. But anyways, we just did the bed, letting my hair air dry. We're gonna go ahead and make breakfast. What is for breakfast? We don't know yet, but we shall find out. All right guys, see you all later. Hi guys, so I'm sitting at my desk here. I have my little setup and I'm just doing like work emails because we're working from home, obviously. So I'm gonna eat some breakfast. So I'm just gonna show you what I have. I have a cup of black coffee. You can't see it, it's literally just black coffee and a banana. Super simple, super easy breakfast. I want pancakes, like banana pancakes. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably make those a little bit later after I have these two if I'm still hungry. If I do, I will obviously show you. But I'm gonna go ahead and get to answering some emails. Oh, and Steve is here eating empanadas because he's just bad. Oh, and there's my brother Vince waking up for the day. Alrighty guys, I will catch you all later. Bye. Hi guys, so it's a little bit later. My hair is completely dried. So yeah, still working in my work section still. I have my lunch with me. I kind of just want to get everything done work-wise and be done early. It's like 1 o'clock right now. So I'm eating my lunch in front of my computer. Probably should not do this, but just want to get my work done quick. So this is my lunch. I'm just eating pasta salad and I'm gonna have water and that's all I'm gonna be eating for lunch. And then Gonna be, oh, I have to do my nails today, so that's on the agenda. I need to edit a vlog and upload it for you guys, and then just chill, watch TV and hang out with the fam, maybe go for a walk, you know. Sorry, that's my washer that's going on right now. But yeah, that's the plan. Steve's still next to me, hard at work. Okay, so Steve's gonna go down and eat in a little bit, and yeah, I also wanted to let you guys know the Sephora sale is happening, and I picked up a couple of things. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm having some like texture issues right now, so I picked up some things for that. I'm excited. So that should be in next week, so hopefully in next week's vlog I can show you everything I got and I can test it out for you guys. But yeah, that's all I did so far. So I'm just gonna eat my lunch and do some work, and I'll check in with you guys later. Hi guys, so it is, oh come on, Apple Watch, 5:21. No, that's not right. It's like 5:30, I think like 5:40. And I just finished work. It was very busy, but not that busy. So I'm off, and it is the weekend. So now I am on the hunt for my mom. I don't know where she is. She is somewhere in this house. So I'm gonna look for her, and then we're gonna hang out. I told you guys I have to upload a vlog, do a blog post, vlog that I'm doing, do my nails like I said, and something else I had to do, but I can't remember. But yeah, gonna be super productive today. The sun is out, it is beautiful, and yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and enjoy my evening. So I will see you all later. And here's my brother with my beautiful Miley Mai. All right guys, TTYL. Hi everyone, I look a little crazy, but I'm just eating dinner right now. I'm eating pasta salad that I had for lunch. I've been like doing stuff. I'm just gonna eat dinner really quick, and then I'm gonna continue doing what I was doing, and then I'll chat with you all later. All right guys, see you in a bit. Hi guys, so it's really late. It's actually like 1:30 in the morning, and I just finished like the things I had to do. Not everything, like I didn't even get to do my nails, and I didn't get to put the video up because I was literally working on my blog for like hours. Like there was so much that had to be done, so many updates, so many things. But yeah, like I feel very productive still. I got so much done that I wanted to get done. I'm just gonna finish what I didn't finish tonight. I'm gonna finish it tomorrow, and yeah, so video will be up for you guys tomorrow, and then blog post will be up tomorrow. And yeah, so I'm just in bed. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the hay because it's super late and I need my beauty sleep. But yeah, alright guys, I will see you all tomorrow for another day in quarantine. Alright guys, bye. Hi guys, happy Saturday. Don't even know what day it is, but anyways, just got up a little while ago, and I brushed my teeth, I changed my clothes, and I'm gonna go ahead and go downstairs and do a workout. I'm gonna do an arm workout today, so yeah, gonna be doing that, and then I'm gonna start my day, see where the day goes. All right guys, see you all later. Okay guys, so I'm in my parents' garage. Steve is back there, he's gonna be working out, and I'm gonna be doing Sammy Clark's 10-minute at-home upper body workout, so arms and back. And yeah, gonna do that really quick, and yeah, I mean, that's it. All right guys, so let's get started. Okay guys, so this is what we're eating for breakfast. These are the banana protein pancakes. These kind of got burnt, but these are really good. And then I'm eating a hard-boiled egg over here. And then I'm having my black coffee. Steve and my brother are having crispy bacon. I'm gonna pass on that. And yeah, that's what we're eating for breakfast. Hi guys, so it's a little bit later. Actually, it's really later. I ended up showering, changing, and I've been on the couch for hours. It is 6 o'clock, and I've just been editing, doing blog posts, looking for new music for my YouTube, and just like getting all my things together. It's actually been really productive. I've been like on my grind this entire day, which is great. The sun is kind of like at its what's it called, golden hour, so I'm gonna try to see if I can shoot some content around the house. But yeah, it's been like such a good day. I'm so happy. I feel amazing. I actually have to go down to the kitchen to get some water because I have not been drinking enough today, so I need that. But yeah, I have Miley right here with me, and yeah, we're just chilling. I'm getting work done, laundry's going, and yeah. All right guys, I will see you all in a bit. Hi guys, so it's a little bit later. We ended up going to the store to try to find a puzzle, and there's been no puzzles to be found, so no such luck. But anyways, now we're home, we ate dinner, and then now we're doing a surprise for my brother. It's his birthday, so we have a cake, so take you guys along for that. Happy birthday, dear Tyler. Happy birthday to you.
Hey guys, this is Ariel. Welcome back to my vlog.
I thought we were gonna do this tomorrow.
Oh my god! No! Oh my word! We missed it. Hi guys, so as you saw, we did the little surprise for my brother for his birthday, you know, as best as quarantine could allow. But now I'm over here, it's my brother over there, and I have my nail, I always say that weird, my nail gel kit set up here. I'm gonna do my nails because that's been one thing, so I'm gonna show you guys my little setup. Okay, so this is my little nail setup. So I have the UV light here. I linked it. Oh my god, I messed this up. Sorry. I linked the UV light in my like to know it, so if you want to see which one I use, check that out there. I have it linked down below, and it comes with like the, oh, it's not focusing, the top coat, the base coat and the top coat, and then different nail colors. But the nail color I'm using today is this color. It's number, I don't even know, 13, what does it say? 1325. It's like this pinky color, super cute. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be using today. And then I also have this that dispenses acetone, and then little cotton balls, and my little nail supplies. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna be using today. Hi guys, so it's a little bit later. I ended up getting ready. I did my hair, so I got ready with you guys doing like this easy simple makeup, and then I filmed another video just curling my hair super easy with a straightening iron. So that video should definitely be up before this vlog, so go check it out. And yeah, I'm just hanging out waiting for lunch to be served because I'm starving. So yeah, gonna do that, chill, probably work on some vlogs and blog stuff, and then who knows, it's like supposed to be like 90 something, so I'm trying to hit the pool, but we'll see. If I do, I'll let you know. All right guys, see you later. So Steve is cutting Wes's hair, and look how he's just chilling. You're getting your little haircut.
The most spoiled dog in the world.
Look at his big fat belly. Love you.